Hello, this is Agatha from Dolfin RGV in McAllen, Texas. We are a family business. We specialize in purchasing houses, and usually we buy houses as they are. That means we take care of all the repairs. We work with homeowners who want to sell their house fast, as is usually. We value honesty, good communication, and we try to help people around us. In Dolfin RGV, we work with different scenarios. Sometimes people are relocating, some people are going through a divorce, others have lost their job, or they have a property that needs a lot of repairs. We will work with you. We will give you a fair cash offer according to your special situation. If you are interested or if you think we could help you, give us a call. You have nothing to lose. You can give us a call or you can visit our website www.dolfinrgv.com.